Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make Android black and white. If you want to make your Android screen black and white grayscale, follow these steps. First method, using digital well-being on most phones. First, open your settings on your device. Now, scroll down and tap digital well-being on parental controls. Tap bedtime mode or wind down on all the versions. Then go to customize dropdown. Toggle grayscale to enable it. Set a schedule or turn it on manually if you prefer to. Last method, using developer options. Enable developer options. Just go to settings, about phone or my phone, then version info. Tap build number 7 times until you see you're now a developer. Enable grayscale mode. Go to settings, developer options, scroll down to simulate color space. Choose monochromacy to make the screen black and white. To disable, return to simulate color space and choose disabled. Now, your Android screen will appear in black and white. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.